The development of Islam in Indonesia. The development of Islam in Indonesia is very complex and influenced by various factors such as political, social, cultural, and economic factors. Islam first entered Indonesia in the 7th century through Arab and Gujarat traders. Furthermore, Islam is increasingly developing in Indonesia through the process of acculturation with local culture. In the 13th century, Islam began to spread to the interior area of Indonesia, and in the 6th century, Islam became the majority religion in Indonesia. During the dark colonial period, Islam in Indonesia experienced challenge and resistance, but still survived and developed. After Indonesia independence, Islam became one of the official religions in Indonesia and continue to grow to this day. Debate about the beginning of Islam entering Indonesia. There is still debate among experts about the beginning of the entry of Islam in Indonesia. There are several different theories about how Islam first entered Indonesia. One of the best known theories is the Arabian theory, put forward by Hamka. According to this theory, Islam entered Indonesia at the beginning of the Hijri century, even during the reign of Khulafaur Rasyidin. However, there is also another theory that states that Islam entered Indonesia in the 13th century and original in Gujarat. A new perspective on Indonesia Islamic historiography. New development in Indonesia Islamic historiography, in Azra's view, are marked by the emergence of several major historical works that see history in a global perspective. In this perspective of global history, Indonesia Islamic history must be seen and placed within the framework of world history in general. This new history then to be understood as social history, which emphasizes the study analysis of factors and even social domain that influence the occurrence of history even themselves. There are three factors of approach used in discussing Islamic history in Indonesia. The first approach see the approach of Indonesia Islamic history as part of the history of Muslims. This approach emphasizes the role of Islam in shaping the identity and culture of Indonesia society. The second approach is the approach of Indonesia Islamic history as part of Indonesia national history. This approach emphasizes the role of Islam in shaping the state and politics in Indonesia. The third approach is a global history approach that looks at Indonesia Islamic history in terms of world history in general. This approach emphasizes the study and analysis of factors and event social domains that influence the occurrence of history events themselves. Early Islam history in Indonesia, which is more toward conventional historical theories and methods that highlight political processes and figures and express them as descriptive narrative writing. How does event happen? Debate among scholars about the historiography of Islam in Indonesia.